Hey folks, InvestIQ here with investing ideas, earnings picks, and options plays. We got another one here for you, reporting August 3rd, and a bit of a smaller cap one, but I do sometimes like these when the numbers look good. So if you take a look at the numbers here, got data back to 2013 until about May of this year, and 169% and change. So that is if you had bought at the close the day before earnings and sold at the close the day after earnings, and you just stacked up all your percentage gains, that's what that 169% number is. If we take a look at the win rate, 75% win rate after one day, which is pretty good, and the gain and loss, I'll just wipe out these guys here, so 4.59%, which is pretty decent. And I'll point something else out here. Even though we usually talk about just the one-day gains, you can kind of see from this picture the 3 and the 5-day gains as well, and how monotonically the orange guy 5 days is slightly more over time than the 3 days, which is slightly more than the 1 day. So if you think about what that means, it means that you're holding it a little bit longer, 5 days as opposed to 1 day, and on average, it seems to be monotonically that is a little bit more profitable, which is as it should be if you have something that's moving up consistently over time. But in any case, we're just looking at the 1 day for this. I just thought it's an interesting thing to note. When you look at the market cap on this, it is a much smaller than the normal ones we would look at. This one is 91 million and change. And if we go over and let's just look at a chart here. So this is what this guy looks like today. So it's a pretty cheap stock, $5.43. And you can kind of get an idea. It's like, no, there's very little volume here compared to what we would usually look at. So this one's only got 15K. But you can also be assured this is not a crowded play at all. And that's about it. So if you like the video, hit the like button, bottom right hand corner. There's a little subscribe button. When you move your mouse over it, it'll kind of light up and give you an icon to subscribe. And yeah, we want to hear your questions. Leave us a comment. And one more quick thing. We've actually got a page now that you can follow along. So go to this URL. It's in the description comments there. But you can go to this page and actually see the same companies that we're posting, and you can take a look at the charts yourself. Come in here and just browse around, and gives you a way to take a look at stuff and follow along and examine it after the video ends. And that's it, folks. Thanks for watching.